So, the test has been proven, everybody. We have come to Amsterdam and we are able to find authentic Jamaican jerk chicken, rice and peas. Yes, people, big up yourself. Yeah, man, over in Amsterdam, just touch a local cafe and you don't know, say, we're recording and filming for the last few days. What? We're fully active. We're active, yeah. Alright, so look, we're vlogging Amsterdam and a good vibes. Raj, what do you say? We're in this store. What's good to eat?
I don't know.
Alright.
Let's explore, man.
Let's have a flow, yeah?
Kind of Korean in there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Like Chinese, Asian type, yeah? Good vibes. We're just having a look around, innit? So good vibes. We've got a lot of noodles and things like that in here. Like noodles, loads of other things inside of here. But it's mainly like Chinese, Korean, that type of Indonesian, them type of food there and whatnot. They've got some fresh organic stuff here. I'm in Amsterdam still, by the way, everybody. Yeah, man, they've got some fresh producers here inside of the store as well. They've got a lot of different type of pot noodles, a lot of different variations of noodles that they do inside of the shop.
It's an anime shop, bro.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're fully outside, we're fully active. Yeah, man, we're inside of the cafe. Good vibes.
Oh my god, we're heading out now, man. It's from the vlog, bro.
Good vibes, good vibes. Coffee shop. Yeah, man. Big coffee shop in Amsterdam. You don't know the thing, though. Yeah, man, just a jump out. Big up you, man, yeah? Yeah, big up, big up. Yeah. Good vibes, pure good vibes. Pure ganja, man, I burn up in this world there. So it's not all day, it's a one split stick.
Let my man smile with me now, bro.
Nice, welcome, man.
Mad. Bro, this is one gram of the Tropicana cherry. The vibes, you know? In the place, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, look at Amsterdam coffee shop. There, fully active. Just to get something to smoke. Man, been working for the whole journey, 24-hour kitchen. I don't know how the thing go. Yeah, man, fully active, fully outside. Yeah, big up, big up, big up.
Big up, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we good.
Amsterdam.
Big up Amsterdam, you know, man. Thank everybody.
Respect, yeah? Yes, people, let me show you how life is.
Yeah, let's go.
Our life is amazing. Cause look, I've been doing out here, touring, traveling, and I've met into some wonderful people. Raj, big up yourself. Aiden, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there. We just have all our vibes. Amsterdam. It's a pass through. Energies and energies and energies. You see it? Yeah, things are going on in the city.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
Yeah, man, fully depend vibes when I tour through Amsterdam right now. Good vibes. Don't know where I am in Amsterdam right now. Just touring the whole city, literally.
That bridge.
That bridge over there.
Yeah.
Good vibes. Yes, everybody. So I bumped into something in Amsterdam, National Holocaust Name Monument. So look at this. This has got the names of all the people that was involved back in the time in
The Holocaust, yeah.
yeah, good vibes. So look, this wall goes on like through here, through there, and all it has is just names. Look, if I zoom in, I can show you all it has is names. You can see it goes all the way down. And imagine in here, yeah, it's represented with glass. And glass is something that's never ending. It's going in. You understand what I mean about glass? Glass is something you look at it, is dimensions. But are good vibes. There it is there. Amsterdam, everybody. Can't believe what I'm actually seeing here in Amsterdam, people. I want to go inside and see if they're dealing with the thing right. Can't see bare Jamaican flag and flash up in the place. We're gonna go and take a look. Good vibes. Yes, everybody. So big up Rita's Kitchen. We're over in Amsterdam. If you ever come to Amsterdam, you have to come and check out her kitchen because yeah, man, good vibes. Cause look on the Aki and Saltfish people. So yeah, man, you don't know it's Amsterdam, and I managed to bump into some authentic Jamaican food in Amsterdam, you know, at Rita's Kitchen. So good vibes. She got a nice restaurant there where you can come in and you can come and get your authentic rice and peas.
She never grill. Just out it Rasta.
Yeah.
You know? Just out it, you know?
Alright, so that's the word of the jerking and
Yeah man, Chef Nick, this is not the house from Reggae Rita, Chef Nick, you know?
yeah.
Big up Rasta.
Yeah. Yes, everybody, so you imagine this. The walk is good, people. It's good to be out on a walk, on a natural walk, because look, I managed to bump into an authentic Jamaican restaurant. Look, they've got Jamaican patties here, Sedway. Yeah, man, the things are going on in the kitchen, but I've come in here when it's closing up time. So if I've got time, I'm gonna come back in tomorrow and we're gonna do a full food review, Reggae Rita, in Amsterdam, Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're there, man. We're there. Good vibes, and it's a nice vibration, and to know, say, yeah, them kind of things they can run in Europe, because this is where I come over to cook in Amsterdam, and then I find myself that we are rice and peas there in the place, jerk chicken in the place. So if you really want things and there's a particular type of food you're looking for, and it's a Caribbean, as you know, so we're dealing in Caribbean cuisine. You don't know, so you can find it all over the world, people. We're there everywhere. So, them man, nobody left we out. We're inside, so forward in. Reggae Rita, Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen, we're there. Big up yourself. Outside. Jamaican food restaurant in Amsterdam. Yes, man, it's a good vibes, you know, say you can travel the place, reach Amsterdam, and we have proper yard food in the place. Yeah, man, jerk chicken, rice and peas. We are talking about the whole flex there, so you know. All I see, some Aki and Saltfish around there. So a good vibes, people. So when you're forward in Amsterdam, you have to drop in a Reggae Rita kitchen, because I think no normal. So I set up. Yeah, man, you can sit in or you can take away. So a good vibes. So the test has been proven, everybody. We have come to Amsterdam and we are able to find authentic Jamaican jerk chicken, rice and peas. Yeah, man, we're on the roadside, and yeah, we just have feed up on some food because we just wanted to show you guys that there's good food in Amsterdam as well. Aiden, what's the food saying?
Nice, bro.
Raj.
The rice was so good. Now I'm chasing the chicken.
On the bowl now.
That's some smoky taste. Nice. Nice.
Yes, people, so yeah, man, as you can see, say a good vibes. Look at this, the jerk chicken. Yeah, man, wow. Amsterdam has got a vibes. Yeah, man, big up Amsterdam, big up the place. We're there. Look, chicken on the menu, proper chicken, proper food, a good vibes. Yeah. Big up. Yeah, man. See the flag there in the distance? Yeah, so a good vibes. Yard food, they're everywhere. Jamaican food in Amsterdam. So yeah, man, can we find Jamaican food in Amsterdam? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. A good vibes.